Hey, what's up? Let's do a quick unboxing. And ito, na-inspire ako from yesterday, yung pumunta ako ng Shell C5 Southlink gas station. So, habang nandun ako sa store, sa baba, nakita ko yung Ferrari na toy. Binibenta nila yung maliit is 300 and yung malaki 1 out of 10 scale nasa 3,000 pesos. But, na-inspire ako. Okay? Kasi naalala ko, pinamanahan din ako ng aking bayaw. Thank you, Budge, again. Doon sa mga diecast cars na he gave me 2 diecast cars actually. Okay? And papakita ko sa inyo ngayon and unbox natin. First, yung 1 out of 24 scale natin na Porsche. This is by Petron. Okay? Petron Blaze. Tapos, Porsche 918 Spider. Ito siya. And the other one na binigay niya sa akin is by Burago. Tapos, this is 1 out of 18. This one is a Ferrari 456 GT 1992. So, may code pa. And this one, as you can see here, sa lower right. And nakalagay dito is quality made in Italy. And nakikita ko na yung tape nasa sides. Other side. So, this is the 1 out of 24 scale. See, powered by Petron. And oh, wow. So, it says here, press. So, umiilaw siya. So, meron din pala siyang sounds. You know, alarm sounds with lights. Collect them all. There's a Bentley. There's also a Lamborghini. Oops. Ah, ganda. Okay. Sobrang rupok na ng rubber band, madali na siya talagang hilahin, tanggalin. Anong sabi dito? Remove pull tab, tapos try me. Ah, ito yung battery niya. And look at the battery. Nag-ano na nag-green na siya. So, hindi na siguro magagamit tong battery na to. I think meron naman akong extra nito. LR44. Tapos, look at the back. Talagang wala na to. Found the screw here. Hawakan natin, baka mahulog. Oh well, I gave up. Wala eh. I mean, masisira lang siya kung tatry ko siyang pilitin. Baka masira pa yung ilalim. So I think I'll just leave this as is for now. Sayang talaga hindi natin matanggal. Nalagyan ko pa naman sana ng battery para matry natin. But for now, we can just check the car as is. Medyo mahirap lang video guys kasi may nandito pa yung frame niya ang display. So I think now open din to. Let's just see. Ayun. Okay. And this is the engine. Okay. So medyo mahirap lang talagang i-video guys. Close open. So ito lang magagawa natin. Sorry. And let's look at the inside. Hindi siya ganun ka-detail sa display. Maganda siya. Okay. And 918 Spider. And ito yung Porsche logo. So medyo na-disappoint ako dito sa pag-unbox. But you know, it happens sometimes. This is the Burago Ferrari 456 GT. And wala na siyang mga stickers. I think madali na siyang tanggalin. This one has styro inside. Natin. Yan. Let's just check the box. Nakalagay gold collection out of 1 out of 18 scale. Ito yung back ng box. Italy talaga no? Approval of Ferrari. Die-cast metal with plastic parts. And paper. So maganda naman yung presentation niya. Hindi na tayo siguro bibiguin ito. Okay. Ito mas maganda yung quality ng screw niya. Wow, ang haba ah. Look at that. Alright. Ayun, tanggal. Tanggalin natin. Yan lang na may itsura niya. Okay. Nothing fancy. Medyo mabigat. Maganda rin yung weight. So it looks like front, side, tapos back. This one is actually the trunk. Okay, just looking at it, hindi ganun kapulido, right? Nababasa nyo ba? It says, it's supposed to say Ferrari. The famous logo horse. Door. And door open. Oh, may seat belt. And these are the plastic parts. Okay. Stick shift, yan. And, ang ginawa nila, nilagay lang yung sticker. And let's look at the other side. Seat belt. Chrome effect. So may chrome effect siya. Yan, focus tayo natin. Focus. Side. Yung gas pedal. Yes. Buksan siya. Nice. Okay, so here's a more detailed look at the engine. So it's chrome painted. Okay, itong sa loob plastic. So, yung talagang die-cast parts is yung body mismo. Nakikita nyo rin yung windshield wipers. Ayan. That is basically it. It looks pretty cool. Tapos plastic tong rims. This one naman is kind of a hard rubber. And let's look at the under chassis. Ayan. It says here made in Italy. Tapos yung model niya, tingnan niyo yung ilalim, chrome painted yung ibang parts dito. Ayan. Yan na yung exhaust. Parang ngayon mas na-appreciate ko tong mga die-cast cars because I've never attempted to really, what do you call this, collect them. Nung bata ako, marami akong mga die-cast cars na nakukuha from gifts and all, but I never really collected them. But this is pretty nice. And the Porsche na hindi natin matanggal yung screw, it's fine. I still love them both and it's part of my collection now. And if you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.